Rus, Kievan Rus, and its successors were to remain within the realm of the religious and cultural sphere of the Orthodox East. And since it was part of Byzantium's cultural sphere, the religion, literature, architecture, and art of Rus were largely based on Greco-Byzantine models. It was, after all, from the Byzantine missionaries, Cyril and Methodius, who literally were from Constantinople. Actually, as young men, they were born in Macedonia, by the way, but they were now based in Constantinople, these missionaries, and it was they who brought Christianity to the Slavs in general. It was also from these two brothers, because they were not only missionary monks, as in that sense, monastic brothers, but they were actually blood brothers. And it was also from them that the Slavs received an alphabet. Now, very often people will think, oh yes, that's the Cyrillic alphabet. Cyril created the Cyrillic alphabet. Actually, he didn't create the Cyrillic alphabet. He created something called the Glagolitic alphabet, very complex, but it was only the disciples of Cyril and Methodius, primarily in Bulgaria, who wanted to simplify that alphabet, and they created a new alphabet, more or less, based on Greek letters, and they named it in honor of Cyril. So that's how the Cyrillic alphabet came into being, by Eastern Rite disciples of Cyril and Methodius in Bulgaria.